Did you know that your energy levels aren't just about sleep or diet, but also depend on a tiny molecule inside your cells? That molecule is called NAD+, and it plays a critical role in cell repair, energy production, and even the aging process. Here's the catch. After the age of 30, your NAD+ levels drop significantly. In 2025, new studies show that NAD+ boosters, like NMN and Nicotinamide Riboside, can raise these levels again. The result? More energy, improved cellular health, and possibly a longer health span. Some researchers even call it a tool for biological rejuvenation. Biohackers around the world are already using NMN to boost mitochondrial function and resilience to stress. But here's an important note. If you're thinking about taking NAD+ supplements like NMN, talk to your doctor first. Everybody reacts differently, and professional guidance is key. If this helped you, like the video, drop a comment, and hit follow.